In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Microsoft Word theme in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to spice up your documents or align with your company's branding, adjusting the theme in Word can really set your documents apart. So let's dive in and give your documents a fresh, new look. First things first, let's get Microsoft Word open. Begin this process by locating the Windows Start menu. You're familiar with this, it's the little icon at the bottom left corner of your screen, usually represented by the Windows logo. A simple click there will bring up a world of applications at your fingertips. Once you've clicked on the Start button, you'll notice a search bar appears. This is where you're going to type in Word. It's like calling out to an old friend in a crowded room, and sure enough, Microsoft Word will pop up as an option for you to select. Once you see it, go ahead and click on it to open Microsoft Word. It's time to get down to business. After opening Word, you'll be greeted with window possibly asking you what you want to start with. You can either select a blank document to start fresh, or choose any recent document you've worked on. Honestly, this part is like choosing your adventure. Now, assuming you've opened your preferred document, let's navigate to the task at hand. At the top of the Word window, there's a search bar waiting discreetly for your input. Here, you'll type the keyword theme. This is essentially the magic word that will bring you closer to customizing your document's appearance. Once you've summoned the search by typing theme, a drop-down menu will graciously appear, presenting you with a parade of theme options. This is where the fun begins. You'll see a variety of themes to choose from, each ready to transform your document with unique color schemes and font styles. Whether you're aiming for something conservative and professional or vibrant and eye-catching, there's a theme with your document's name on it. Now, let's talk about choosing a theme. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about setting the right tone for your document. Consider the context. Is this a business report? Maybe stick to something sleek and professional. Drafting up a flyer for a bake sale? Perhaps opt for something more colourful and fun. The theme you select will apply directly to your open document, instantly changing its look and feel. As you experiment with different themes, remember that this isn't a permanent change. You can switch themes as easily as changing your mind, so feel free to play around until you find the perfect fit for your document. This flexibility makes it incredibly easy to customize documents for different purposes or to align with specific branding guidelines. It's also worth noting that changing the theme can alter the appearance of headings, titles, and even the general text. This is because each theme comes with its own set of font styles and sizes designed to complement the overall aesthetic. It's a holistic approach to styling your document, ensuring every element from header to footer looks cohesive. Finally, once you've settled on a theme that speaks to you and, more importantly, your audience, don't forget to save your document. Whether you're prepping a document for a presentation, submitting a report, or merely drafting up something for personal use, the theme you choose can significantly enhance its presentation. And there you have it. Changing the theme in Microsoft Word is a straightforward process that can have a substantial impact on your document's appearance. We've walked through finding and opening Word, selecting a document to work on, searching for the theme options, choosing your new theme, and the considerations to keep in mind while making your selection. Remember, the theme you select sets the stage for your content, so choose wisely. At this point, you're well equipped to refresh your documents with new themes anytime. It's a simple step that can wholly transform the visual appeal of your work, making it not just more professional, but also more personalized. And the best part, you can always change it up whenever you like, ensuring your documents never grow stale. Thanks for joining me in learning how to change the Microsoft Word theme. Whether you're working on an important report, a simple letter, or a creative project, I hope this tutorial helps you in making your documents visually engaging and perfectly suited to your needs. Happy theming!